What separates an ISO IEC 27001 lead implementer from someone who has simply attended a training course? It's not knowing the clauses, it's having the confidence to implement an information security management system in a real organization. Because organizations don't hire people to memorize ISO 27001, they hire professionals who can successfully implement it. Most ISO 27001 courses stop at theory. You learn the requirements. You read the standard, maybe complete a few exercises. But when you're asked to build an ISMS from scratch, perform a risk assessment, develop the statement of applicability, or prepare an organization for certification, you're on your own. That's exactly why InfoSec4TC created the ISO IEC 27001.2022 Lead Implementer Live Workshop. This isn't another slide-based training. You'll implement a complete information security management system exactly the way professional ISO consultants do it. Throughout the workshop, you'll build a real ISMS using actual organizational documentation, not fictional examples. Work with authentic implementation deliverables including policies, procedures, registers, templates, records, and supporting evidence. Perform gap assessments, risk assessments, create treatment plans, develop the statement of applicability, and conduct internal audits using realistic business scenarios. Experience the real implementation challenges organizations face, and learn how experienced consultants solve them. Follow the complete implementation lifecycle from project initiation all the way to certification readiness. You'll gain practical, hands-on implementation experience using real project documentation, allowing you to perform every major implementation activity yourself, not simply watch someone else do it. By the end of the workshop, you'll understand how certification auditors evaluate an ISMS, how to prepare organizations for successful certification audits, and how to implement ISO IEC 27001-2022 using industry best practices followed by experienced consultants. Most importantly, you'll leave with real implementation experience, practical documentation, and the confidence to lead ISO 27001 implementation projects for your employer or your own clients. And if you're planning to pursue the certification, this practical approach will significantly improve your readiness and increase your chances of passing on your first attempt. Don't just learn, implement it, build it, experience it, master it. Enroll today and start your journey.